Art is an important part of the human experience. It allows us to express ourselves without words. But in order to create art, we need supplies, and supplies are expensive. Our art teachers work hard to create activities with the resources they have, but they could use more. Crossroads Jeep Chrysler Dodge will donate $500 to the best school in Prince George. We all know J.E.J. Moore Middle School is the best, but we need to prove it. Everyone needs to go to www.crossroadsjcd.com and click on the Facebook link. Once there, click on the Discussions tab. Choose the J.E.J. Moore Middle discussion. Now all you need to do is click the Reply to Topic link in the upper right and let Crossroads Jeep Chrysler Dodge know that more is better. As of last night, we are just 10 votes behind Clements. Talk to your parents, grandparents, family, friends, and everyone you know and tell them to vote. Voting ends November 5th, so don't delay. Cast your vote today. With your help, our art teachers can provide their students with all the supplies they need to express their creative minds today and into the future. Without your help, the future for art here at J.E.J. Moore Middle is bleak.